Morning. Lesson number 9. So again, we're on the two-step equation, but today I'd give you a challenge and say, if you're finding this easy, what you could do is just write one equation to solve the problem, and that one equation would use multiple steps. I'll show you. So Mrs. Delgado's baking pies and cakes for a school fundraiser. She bought 26 apple, 29 peach, and a number of bananas at the farmer's market. So those are the kinds of pies and cakes she bought. Oh no, this is actual pieces of fruit. So how many bananas did she buy? So in order for us to actually solve the problem, we need to take that total number, so 66, and we need to subtract what we know, which is the 26 and the 29. Now for me, I would prefer to add the 26 and the 29 together. So you have 55 pieces of fruit, plus 10 is 65, plus 11 is 66. So 11 had to be bananas. So then you think to yourself, well, really I wrote it as two separate equations. I did an addition problem, and then I did an add up kind of a problem, but I could have also done a traditional, like subtraction problem and got 11, which there's no regrouping. So with this one, you could write this as one equation. So I'm going to just put it down here, like 66 minus, and then in parentheses I did 26 plus 29 equals, and I'll make that be bananas. So one equation, two different operations within the equation. So you don't have to do that, but alright, I'll go down. How about I'll do the last one today? So there's 47 students in a marching band, 5 students in the first row, and the rest are equal rows of 6. So for this one, if I were to write the equation, I would subtract those 5 from the first row, and I would put that in parentheses, and then I would divide the rest by 6, and that would equal however many students. So if I were to actually do this problem, I have to do what's in the parentheses first. So that would be 42. So 42 divided by 6 equals 7, so 7 students. Kind of fun if you can get it all in one. Same stuff on the back. You can skip the check for understanding and just do the IXL. So Sarah baked 48 cookies and gave a dozen to her friend. Oh, we know what a dozen is, 12. She put the remaining cookies on plates of 9 cookies each. So this one, she'd have 48 minus a dozen, which is 12. And then she divided plates of 9 cookies each. So if I did this one, it would be 48. 38 is minus 10. 37, 36. So 36 divided by 9, 9, 18, 27, 36 equals 4 plates. So 4 plates, 9 cookies on each plate. Alright, I'll do how about the Tom one? Tom has 103 photos on his camera. He deletes 33, so he got rid of 33 of them. Then he's going to put an equal number on each page that has 10 pages. Now I have to put parentheses here because I'm not doing 33 divided by 10. I want to do the subtraction part first. So if I took away 3, that would be 100, and then I take away 30, so it's 70 divided by 10. So how many photos are on each page? 7 photos. The nice thing is if you do all the math right, it works out. So you end up with like a multiple of 10. Alright, kind of fun.